Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is day 53, talking about events that happened on Saturday, the 22nd of October 2022. So I believe I got my wires crossed and I made a mistake. I thought I did a video and uploaded it, but I got so carried away and I think I made a mistake. I think I skipped a day, which normally I don't do. Normally I do these things in the morning, but I'm slipping a little bit. Um, so I won't beat myself up over it. I will forgive myself and recommit to doing this every single day. So this is for day 53, which was Saturday, the 22nd of October, 2022. So I always make these videos talking about yesterday's events. So today's the 24th. So I didn't make a video yesterday apparently. So yesterday was Sunday. So this is talking about Saturday. So I didn't have very much going on. Did my normal exercise routine. I've been consistent with the exercise routine, doing 45 minutes and the 4-minute jog, and I'm proud of myself for that because I have not missed a day. So in a long time, I've been consistent. Now the goal is not to do 45 minutes. The goal is actually just to do 1 minute. But I like to do 45 minutes if I can, if I'm able to, if I'm physically up for doing it. And I have been. And I can't remember when the last time I haven't done that. So 45 minutes of walking and a 4-minute jog. And then I had my coaching call with Jeffrey Combs. And then I did a little remote wellness academy. I did a little book repricing. And then uh, yeah, that was basically it. Then I played the game that I've been playing for a while. It's consuming and I enjoy it. Just relaxing right now in these days before starting the insurance program. So that is basically it for day 53. So if you've been following along, I'm not perfect. I missed a day. I'm not going to beat myself up. I'm just going to recommit to doing this every single day. So this is day 53. So the chain isn't broken. I'm just late, and I don't want to be late. I want to be on time. I've been going to the gym every day also. I think I don't know if I mentioned that. I've been going to the gym every day. Most of the days I go there, I don't do anything but get um, on a massage chair, and I have the 10-minute massage. But I'm going there. I'm going into the building, and I'm going into the locker room. I'm changing into my athletic attire, and I'm there. I look at this like going into, like, if you go to Disney World and you go on a roller coaster or a ride, you normally exit through the gift shop. And it was a really genius thing because they said, hey, we get people to go through and just go into the gift shop, they're more likely to buy. So they have, in order for you to leave the attraction, and most of the more popular attractions at Disney World, you have to exit through the gift shop. And you not only have to exit, so that you have to go actually like walk all the way through the gift store looking at all the wares for sale. And that's actually a very ingenious thing. So for me, I'm going to the gym. Psychologically, I can say, although most of my exercise takes place at home, I can say I go to the gym every single day. I'm telling my subconscious, I'm commanding my subconscious, I'm going to the gym every single day. I'm serious about this transformation that I'm making in my life. And I'm exercising every day. I'm going to the gym every day. And there's just some other minor tweaks. And this comes through the Remote Wellness Academy also. But I'm brushing my teeth 3 times a day. I didn't used to do that. Some days I didn't brush my teeth at all. But now I'm doing it 3 times a day. And that might be excessive, but I wasn't doing it at all. So what I'm doing is I'm sending a message to the universe saying that I am serious about my transformation. So I expect that the universe is going to reward me and allow me to receive and create create the opportunities that I see. So that's basically it. Day 53. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Thank you.